is for apple, airplane, ant. This is the letter B. B is the letter C. C is for candy, cat, corn. This is the letter D. D is for duck, donut, dolphin. This is the letter E. E is for eggplant, elephant, engine.